In a world where division seems to be tearing us apart, it's crucial to remember one simple truth. The enemies are not among us. We are just ants in the jar. Unity will keep us going, while division will only destroy us. So let's zoom out from afar, seeing from more than one perspective. This ability to look at things from different angles helps clear the fog that often clouds our judgment. The faster we can adapt, the further we can be ahead. It's like creating a future that ensures our survival. So, let's come together hand in hand because unity is the key. It bridges the gaps between us, allowing us to understand one another and find common ground. Now is the time to let go of the things that divide and focus on what unites us, our shared humanity. Together we can build a world where compassion, understanding, and respect prevail. Let us remember that the best way to ensure a future is to create it, one step at a time. Thank you for watching this video. If you believe in the power of unity, subscribe to our channel to join the journey towards a better, more connected world. Together, we can make it happen.